If I told you guys this, you won't believe me. Seriously, I'm telling you, all I can do is still laugh at it. It's mind-boggling. I was not at work yesterday. I took a day off. I went and my Siri told me that I had an Amazon package delivered to my work. I get to work and I see the box, which was out in the hallway. But anyways, I picked it up and I said, I'm going to look in it because there were supposed to be 3 items for the dog, one for hubby and then one for me. And I look in the box and there's the 1 item for hubby and 1 item for the dog and not the other item for me. And I went online, it says it was delivered. Guess what? I don't have it. Once again, I don't have it. Anyway, an update on my last Amazon with the package that came empty. I was able to do a live chat with someone, and they sent me a replacement of my stickers. And really, it's not a replacement because I haven't received it. But I'm very thankful. The guy was very helpful. So I did get an order to come back in. So they are replacing what was missing. And but I asked him about the We Are Memory Keepers mini punch board, and he said there's nothing they can do until they receive the other one. All they're going to do is give me a credit. Someone on my last video mentioned to contact, I think it was American Crafts, and a certain person. Still got tears. It's funny. And I did contact that person, and they told me when you order a third one, and if it comes back defective, not to return it, to contact them. So at least they did respond. And she did mention to me that there was some defective ones that were sent out to companies. So unfortunately, I received the batch that was sent to Amazon that were defective. So I'm not going to order from them. So I did check online that I can order it from Walmart here in Canada. It'll take about a month to get to me. So I think I'm just going to order it anyway and see if that one comes in okay, and go from there. But I just thought I would share in my never-ending Amazon delivery issues. But anyway, it's a beautiful day here in Nova Scotia. I thought I would just upload a quick little video to share that with you. I'm just going to keep on smiling, and it is what it is. As long as I get replacement item, then it's okay. But they need to show that picture that they said it was delivered. I want a picture if it was in a separate box, because maybe it was in a separate box. But there was only 1 box that was received with 2 pieces in it, not 3. So anyway, have a good day, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.